Hello, this is Brandon with the Bain Group, and today we'll be looking at 10 useful tips for Microsoft OneNote. This is part 2 of our two-part series, and here are the 5 points we will be covering. Screen clipping, copying tables from Excel, using tags, showing history, and Format Painter. First, we have screen clipping. Screen clipping is a quick and easy way to add screenshots from other windows onto your OneNote. For example, this is useful when taking notes during an online presentation and you quickly need to grab a visual for reference. In the navigation above, underneath the Insert tab, you'll see the icon for screen clipping. Clicking will show your background windows, and all you simply have to do is click and drag the area that you want to screenshot. You'll add that screenshot to your OneNote, as well as giving you a timestamp of when this clip was taken. And if needed, you can resize your screenshot. Next, we have copying tables from Excel into OneNote. Now, rather than using the Insert Table feature in the navigation above, an alternative way of adding tables into your OneNote is by simply copying and pasting from Excel. Now, this is helpful if you have pre-existing tables. That way you don't have to spend time re-entering information. So if I open up my Excel here, and I want to add in this table to my OneNote, I'll select my table, do Control-C for copy. I'll go back to my OneNote, and I'll paste. As you can see, it brings it in table format, where you can adjust the table size and update the data as needed. Next, we have tags. Tags are a great way to call out certain points within your notes. In the home ribbon above, you'll see we have this section called tags. Here you can see some default options. If I click on this button right here, you'll see I have a whole list. For example, we have to do, important, question. Down here we have critical. So if I go to my notes and I click to do, he's going to add a checkbox. Important, we'll add a star. Question, we'll add a question mark. Example with this one is you can click it and you'll check it. Right next to this, we have find tags. So if you need to look through your notes for certain tags that you made throughout, go ahead and click find tags, and it will show you a list on your right-hand side. The next tip we have is showing history. When using the history tab in the ribbon above, this gives you options to view past changes you or other members of your organization have made to the notes. For example, we have page versions. If I go ahead and click on page versions, this will show me past versions of the current note that I'm on if I ever need to restore a previous version. Next, we have the option to search our notes by author. So this allows us to see what edits each particular author has made to the notes. And lastly, we have recent edits. So if we want to see what has been edited in a certain amount of time, let's say the last 3 months, go ahead and set that. And on the right-hand side, we can see each note that has been edited within that time period. The last tip we have is the Format Painter. The Format Painter allows you to copy formatting from one part of your notes to other areas of your notes more efficiently. Up in the ribbon above, we have this Format Painter button. So if I highlight the section that I want to copy, and I click on Format Painter once, it's going to allow me to highlight and make that same copy once. However, if I want to format multiple sections, if I highlight that same section, click it twice, it's going to allow me to click and highlight one section, click and highlight other sections as well. And once you're done, just click it one more time to deactivate it. Thank you for joining me in this tips and tricks video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and we'll see you next time.